Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your investment research with Seeking Alpha, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open the Seeking Alpha website. Create a free account if you haven't already. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the home page. Explore the latest news and trending stocks at the top. Use the search bar to find specific stocks or ETFs. Click on a stock name to access its dedicated page. Review the company's overview for key statistics. Analyze the financial summary to understand earnings and revenue. Scroll down to read recent articles and analyses. Pay attention to different authors and their ratings. Utilize the quant rating for a quantitative assessment. Examine the dividend information if you're a dividend investor. Look at the news section for the latest updates on the stock. Engage with the community in the comments section for diverse perspectives. Use the portfolio feature to track your investments. Set up alerts to stay updated on stock price changes and news. Regularly review your portfolio to make informed decisions. Explore the premium features if you need more in-depth analysis. Take advantage of the mobile app for research on the go. Stay consistent with your research to enhance your investment strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.